LESWIM training. Hi, I'm Terry Martin, and we are here looking at the CCROV.
This is Luis from VxFly team. That's right. This is underwater rubber. We call it CCROV. You can do 100 meters. 6 thrusters.
6 of them?
Yeah.
Wow.
For a mini.
Wow, that is great.
You can have 3 or 5.
And the size of it, it's so portable. That is just like it's great.
Maybe you have a pack bag and just put it.
Yeah, absolutely.
American hand.
Wow, so that would go up and down, right?
Yeah.
This would yaw. Forward, backwards. Nice. Some screen there. Beautiful, nice picture on the app there.
Yeah.
Yeah, well, hey, that's me right there. All right.
It is side cam thing. The video, picture. We are recording right now. Oh no, picture.
Okay.
Really fast, right?
Nice.
Video here.
That's a 4K camera, right?
Yeah, 4K. Yeah.
4K, 30 frames per second, 1080, 120 frames per second,
Yeah,
1080,
exactly.
60 frames per second.
Yeah.
That's great. So you can do some nice slow motion stuff with this as well.
This is a depth sensor.
Okay, so you got your depth and
Yeah,
meters
we're on the
there.
surface right now.
Right, yeah, so we're at 0.
There was the degree of the
Okay.
first mini ROV camera. You know the signal and the power was transmitted from the computer.
Oh wow. That's strong.
Yeah, 100 kilograms, no problem.
Wow.
Yeah, me.
How long is that? 95 meters.
Yeah,
Wow.
that's right here.
So,
Oh,
Yeah, we can have extra battery, whatever.
Yeah.
In other ROVs, batteries, you need to get the ROV out and then change the battery, charge it or whatever. Some water in there dangerous.
so this is the AC power
It's
unit.
right here. So we don't need battery anymore. Well, let's check it out, okay?
Okay.
Let's check it out with the power system. I can help you. You're here, right? You're here. Just say hello. You're here.
Hello.
Yeah.
There we are.
Yeah,
The
exactly.
drone's looking at us.
Yeah.
We're looking at the drone. It looks awesome.
Yeah. Let's go. Wow. Let's go. Let's try something. Whoa.
no problem.
Hey guys, I'm here with VxFly with the new LESWIM. This is a kickboard, electric powered by a waterproof battery. The lid here pops off really easy, connected by magnets. Inside here we have a waterproof battery. Lid back on, super easy. Carrying handle. Down here we've got our motor with propeller in the back. On the front here we have a camera mount. And then here you have your left and right buttons to make the motor go. So let's check it out in the water, see where it goes. It floats. Grab the paddles here, and we're on. All done, pick it up.
This is first. And I water steam bubble. The leg doesn't do that.